Hello, this is the MHS Composting Biomimicry project for the Biomimicry Youth Design Challenge of 2022. The main problem that my team faced was wasting food, and that people waste way more food than they think. Because according to National Geographic, about 1/3 of all food in the world is wasted worldwide. The way we planned to solve this problem was by creating an automated and streamlined food waste composting system where we could speed up this process of composting without much human interaction. The first organism that we got ideas from was an animal called the echidna, which are animals who have long, narrow, and symmetrical snouts that move through the soil to find prey and create air traps within the soil for hiding from predators. But those air traps also create pockets that increase the amount of oxygen gas, which helps transport oxygen around soil. The second organism that we looked at was mangrove trees, which are very similar in purpose to the echidnas. However, it doesn't dig, but it pulls air from the surroundings and then brings the air under the ground where the roots are. My team brought these two organisms together by creating both chemical and mechanical design for our product, or our model. The mechanical part of this model would take into consideration the echidna's snout, which would move around the soil and create aeration within the soil, while the chemical part would take in the mangrove roots and also have the snout of our model also act as a nozzle, which would spray either a nitrogen-based liquid or just bring in more air and spray air into the dirt itself, the soil itself. The design itself, again, would work on a clock-based system, so it would know when to move the nozzle to move the dirt or spray a nitrogen-based liquid or blow air by itself. That is all I have, so thank you very much for listening.